you're dying with me.
Mission Planet would say that no use to to maximize your safety. You will be remembered as a hero.
I understand the stakes. No. I don't have it in me.
Right?
You know who you are. You're gonna do great.
You are very brave.
I don't know about that.
You are the bravest human I have ever met.
You just need to find someone to be grateful.
I'm not an astronaut. Die in space? You know. I'm not an astronaut. You know where you are with. You'll find a solution.
You are my solution. You know where you are with. I am trying to make you understand what I'm about to do next.
I'd give you the sun
I can give.
if you asked me. You could have all of the time. You could have the stars and the trees. When dividing up the universe, you could have mine.
I left you detailed logs of all of our findings, and I threw in a little something else just for fun. Hopefully it all makes sense. This is Dr. Captain Ryland Grace reporting from the Hail Mary. As the Iridians say,
Used to hate the silence. Used to make me think about the old days and all the miles and mileage, the late flights and missed birthdays. Here I can hear your heartbeat. I can hear the start of a long sigh. I can hear the song of the robin. I haven't wrote my own in a long time, and it's just fine.
You know who you are. in me.
I didn't have it in myself to go with grace. And so the battleships will sink beneath the waves. You had to kill me, but it killed you just the same.
Don't make us hard.
Wishing I stayed, you turned into your worst fears. And you tossed it
Sure feels like we're betraying you.
back on this pain, crossing out the good years. And you're cursing my name, wishing I stayed.
You're on my
Look at how
solution.
my tears ricochet.
You know who you are. You're gonna do great.
Lord, I'm 2, Lord, I'm 3, Lord, I'm 4, Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home.
What is Grace doing?
I circle you.
Question? Having a moment.
I circle you.
And beautiful it is to even exist. I couldn't help but ask you to say it all again. I tried to write it down, but I could never find a pen. I'd give anything to hear you say it one more time. That the universe was made just to be seen by my eyes.
Would you really beat me up in a cloud of sparkling dust just to do experiments on? Tell me I was the chosen one. Showed me that this world is bigger than us. Then sent me back where I came from. For a moment I knew cosmic love.
That is where he is.
Hello, Grace.
He's right here.
Hello, Grace friend.
Okay?
If Grace Rocky saves stars, we can go home.
It's 11.9 light years away. The astronauts die in space. Who on earth is gonna sign up for this?
The world is counting on you.
Goes on to get so heavy. The wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall.
I understand you think I'm the right person for this mission. I'm not an astronaut.
If we do nothing, everything on this planet will go extinct, including us.
Ground control to Major Tom.
If we don't go and die with the rest of us, Dr. Grace, the world is counting on you.
I don't belong to anyone. I made you God 'cause it was all that I knew how to do. But I don't belong to
Call a fist bump, by the way. Fist my bump? No, it's fist bump. It's not the same.
Scar tissue that I wish you saw. Sarcastic Mr. Know-It-All. I'll close your eyes and I'll kiss you, 'cause with the birds I'll share. With the birds I'll share this alone. You can hear it too if you're sincere. 'Cause I'm a punk rocker, yes I am. Well, I'm a punk rocker, yes I am.
I understand you think I'm the right person for this mission. I understand the stakes.
If we do nothing, everything on this planet will go extinct, including us. Dr. Grace, the world is counting on you.
Not an astronaut.
Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. We gotta get away from here. We gotta get away from here. Turning on the black star. Blame it on the falling sky. Blame it on the satellite. Please live alone.
We don't talk
This is
much,
Dr.
but I
Captain
miss
Riley
you.
Grace reporting from the Hail Mary. As the Iridians say,
I hope that you're okay. I trust the letters to the holes in my butterfly wings. Nothing's forever. Nothing is as good as it seems. And when the clouds will iron
It's
out,
actually me believing
monsters creep into your house. Every door is hard to close.
Thumb, from where did you come? Did you toddle or run? Did you skip, jump or stumble? Go down, let's go down, let's go down. Don't you wanna go down and ring along? Have a sing along, put some pickles on and play the mellotron. Go down, let's go down, let's go down. Don't you wanna come down and ring along? Count to 21 and go and right or wrong and feed the pelicans.
It is time go.
I think you mean go time, pal. Eye bomb. No, it's fist bump. It's not the same.
Hi, Grace.
You're in a ball.
No Rocky, no Diane, great atmosphere. I come up.
He's a genius engineer, and if I can't understand what he's saying, he puts on a little puppet show for me and my tiny brain, and you know what? I don't mind it. Together, we're pretty smart, but no one's ever done this before.
It is time go.
It can be in go time, pal.
Everything on this planet will go extinct, including us. Dr. Grace, the world is counting on you.
On my radar, well, she said she's from a quasar, 40,000 million light years away. It's a distant solar system. Try to phone, but they don't listen. So I asked her for a number on the same.
Trying to do the unimaginable. There are moments that the words don't reach. There's a grace too powerful to name. We push away what we can never understand. We push away the unimaginable. They are standing in the garden. Alexander by Eliza's side. She takes his hand. It's quiet uptown. Forgiveness.
Be heroes. Forever and ever. What you say?
If Grace, Rocky, Faith, stars, we can go home.
So, I met an alien.
Hello, Grace, friend.
I wish you could swim.
Could not fix. Grace, a graceful time. Rocky, fix. Grace, go home.
Every star was infected by its neighbor except one,
Why?
We don't know.
which is why we built a ship to go there and find out.
It's 11.9 light years away. The astronauts die in space.
It's what you Americans would call a long shot.
Hail Mary. I get it. Who on earth is going to sign up for this?
If we do nothing, everything on this planet will go extinct.
We'll find a solution.
You're my solution.
I could not an astronaut. I've never done anything. I've never done a space. I can't even moonwalk.
I'm Grace. I'm going to call you Rocky. We're here for the same reason.
Grace, Rocky, save stars.
Grace, Rocky, save star.
The world is counting on you.
Was so ahead of the curve became a sphere. Fell behind all my classmates and I ended up here, pouring out
You're in a ball.
So rocking the Diane Grace atmosphere. I come up.
Oh, you're coming up.
Thornbush, detective.
Grace and Rocky, big fans. How to kill after a major together. I keep going this way.
Minds in the entire world are on it.
Where's my bedroom?
There it is.
I wanna do
The astronauts die in space.
Do you know I could break beneath the weight of the goodness, love I still carry for you? That I'd walk so far just to take
It's a one-way trip for me.
the injury of finally knowing you.
I'm not an astronaut.
Hey, look, man. I get seasick even watching it on the TV. Oh, my goodness. What am I going to do in the submarine?
Believes in us. The village believes. The island gives us what we need.
The astronauts die in space.
here I'll stay. My home, my people beside me. And when I think of tomorrow, there we are. I'll lead the way. I'll have my people to guide me. We'll build our future together. Where we are. Every path leads you back
Tell
to
me something.
where you are. You can find happiness right where you are. Where you are.
He watched crew die. Could not fix. Grace said Grace will die. Rocky fixed.
Right now, the best minds in the entire world are on it. Sorry, I didn't catch your name. Carl, hi. Sounds really dying, isn't it?
Yeah. You know who you are. You're gonna do great.
We're fathers, Carl.
No, get down.
I can't even moonwalk.
You're the only friend I need. You're the only friend I share beds like little kids. Then laugh until our ribs get tough. But that will never be enough. You're the only friend I need. You're the only friend I share
Not an astronaut. I put the not in astronaut. I've never done anything. I've never done a space. I can't even moonwalk.
Darling, you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? If you say that you are mine, I'll be here till the end of time. So you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? It's always tease, tease, tease.
Rocky ship is supposed to see tonight. His planet's dying too. I'll do my best to make sure that you don't, that you didn't. I'll do my best.
Canta el profeta, canta el poeta y están gritando en la banqueta. ¿O qué será? ¿Qué será? Que me despierta por la noche y me hace temblar, me hace llorar. ¿Qué será? Somos fantasmas, siento la puerta tocar 3 veces. ¿O quién será? ¿Qué será? Va suspirando por las alcobas y susurrando besos de trova. Ponte a escuchar.
You'll figure it out. This is Dr. Captain Ryland Grace reporting from the Hail Mary. As the Iridians say.
May seem like me betraying you, but it's actually me believing in you. Don't make this harder, please. You are my solution.
You believe in God?
It beats the alternative. You're smart. You'll figure it out.
You're smart. You'll figure it out. Just sleep, pal. But, you gotta wake up.
There I saw you standing, it must have been a holy light. 'Cause I can see and I can feel, but the color in your eyes is saying that my dreams come up empty, and I wash up
Gray?
You taught me a secret language I can't speak with anyone else. And you know damn well, for you I would ruin myself a billion little times.
Breakfast is in the classroom.
Stop pretending this is about your students and saying something.
I understand the stakes. I do. But I don't have it in me. My mind's made up. I'm sorry, but you just can't talk to
And the state that we induced your coma early to maximize your safety. You will be remembered as a hero.
I understand you think I'm the right person for this mission. I understand the stakes.
If we do nothing, everything on this planet will come extinct. Dr. Grace, the world is counting on you.
Was infected by its neighbor, except one.
It's 11.9 light years away. The astronauts die in space.
If we do nothing, everything on this planet will go extinct. Dr. Grace, the world is counting on you.
I'm not an astronaut. I put the not in astronaut. I've never done a space. I can't even moonwalk.
You are the only scientist who might know what this is.
This might be very hard for you to understand, but some people are not good at things.
You know who you are. You're gonna do great.
I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky. We're here for the same reason. Grace, Rocky, Stacy.
Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need someone to carry you, when you're broken on the ground, you will be fine. 'Cause you reach up and you rise again. If you only look around, you will be fine.
I'll do my best.
Rocky watched crew die. Could not fix. Grace say Grace will die. Rocky fix.
I want you to sleep, Pop. But,
you gotta wake up. Why?
No understand word.
Means, see you later.
But I won't see you later.
I never meant to call you when you sorrow.
I know.
Did I even make a sound? Did I even make a sound? It's like I never made a sound. Did I ever make a sound? On the outside, always looking in a way like you ever be more than I've always been. 'Cause I'm tapping on the glass, waiting through a window. I try to speak, but nobody can hear, so I wait around for an answer to appear. While I watching people pass, waiting through a window.
Your version of this is our thumbs up. I'm like one of the villains in the Superman movie. I'm just like trapped in hell. Like, get out of here!
There's no harm in pretending for a little while.
Touch the wave, bro.
Touching the wave. Hanging head. Yeah. Oh. Punch.
I say either, you say.
Say either.
I say neither, you say.
Me either. I like Earth.
It's so easy to laugh, it's so easy to hate. It takes guts to be gentle and kind. Love is natural and free.
The stars, the moon, they have all been blown out. You left me in the dark.
Grace will die. Rocky Fix.
The stars, the moon, they have all been blown out. You left me in the dark.
Grace will die. Rocky Fix. Word. What word? To risk self to help another.
Dumb.
Rocky watched. Could not fix. Grace will die. Rocky Fix.
Still beautiful things. Sweet tea in the summer, cross your heart, won't tell no other. And though I can't recall your face, I still got love for you. Your braids like a pattern, love you to the moon and to Saturn. Passed down like folk songs, the love lasts so long.
invisible red thread that connects us to those we are destined to meet, regardless of time, place, or circumstances. The thread may stretch or tangle, but it will never break.